Today we're going to talk about proper nouns and how we can use them in our writing. A proper noun names a special person, animal, place, or thing. A proper noun is one kind of exact noun. Use proper nouns in your writing to make things clear for your reader and paint a picture in your reader's mind. When you revise your writing, look for nouns you can change to exact nouns. Be sure to begin each proper noun with a capital letter. Let's look at some examples. The first sentence uses common nouns. The woman teaches at a school. Let's see how we can change this sentence to make it more exact by using proper nouns. Miss Wilson teaches at Franklin Elementary School. By using proper nouns, we're able to give more information and paint a picture in our reader's mind to make it more clear.